Welcome to this brand new section where we're now going to take your business to a whole new level. Because for the next few hours, I'm going to be giving you tons of incredible value to get you to your first $10,000. So at the moment, you have the perfect start with everything that I've already taught you, because you have the beginnings of a great looking store. You know how to identify profitable markets and find fantastic in-demand products within those markets. And your store can be found globally thanks to the domain that you have chosen. But to get you to your first 10K, there's an awful lot more that I want to show you. And the first thing I want to talk about is this: having the right mindset. Now, this might sound a little bit out there, but having the right approach to business is so important if you want to succeed, which of course you do. So this is one of those subjects where I could actually go on for hours talking about this, but please don't worry, this is going to be very short because I'm going to reduce it down to 3 key points. And it's these 3 key points that I've learned over my many years in business. And so if you keep these 3 points in mind, you will already be well on your way to success. So point number 1, time management. And yes, I know I talked about this in a previous lecture, but I want to take this opportunity to re-emphasize it because it is so important to manage your time carefully. But what does that actually mean in practice? I mean, I'm well aware that everybody watching this course has busy lives. You might have a full-time job already. Maybe you have a family or many other commitments that make it hard for you to give this business the time that it requires. But even if you have all of those things, please don't worry, because the key here is little and often. Your objective should be to try to apply 30 minutes a day to building this business. Of course, if you've got more than 30 minutes a day, that's fabulous. So 30 minutes a day. And when I say a day, I mean every day. It is way better to do 30 minutes a day than to try and do 3 hours on a Saturday. Why is that? Well, often you might not have 3 hours available. But more importantly, after an hour or so, your productivity will decrease. It's just human nature. And so by working for just 30 minutes, you will be amazed at how productive you can be. Now, the key point during those 30 minutes, and this is really important, is to have no distractions. Find a quiet room, tell your partner that you don't want to be disturbed, but most importantly, put your mobile phone on silent. And in this way, you can stay really focused and make incredible progress with your business. And you will make incredible progress. If you just do a small amount of time every day, you'll be amazed when you look back after a month as to how much you've actually done. Next up, learn from your mistakes. Every single successful entrepreneur that I know learns from their mistakes. Now, spoiler alert, you are going to make mistakes. And when you do, you have 2 choices. Choice number 1, which unfortunately is what a lot of people do, is to start looking inwards and blaming themselves, thereby generating a lot of pointless negative energy, which does absolutely nothing to help you in your business. Or you can go for choice number 2, where you say, okay, I made a mistake there. Making mistakes is absolutely normal. Why did I make that mistake? How can I improve myself so that I don't make that mistake the next time? And by doing that, you generate an enormous amount of positive energy, which will help you with your business, and you're learning as you go. You are learning from your mistakes. And while that might seem quite obvious, trust me, so many people seem to choose choice number 1, which is a great shame because with just a small change in mindset, you can make an enormous difference to your success. And then finally, to the final point, which is to have realistic expectations. Now, I know that it's highly likely that you want to build a business as quickly as possible. And for a lot of people, they somehow don't really want to do much work in order to achieve that. Now, sadly, I firmly believe that the reason for that is the culture that we are currently immersed in. When we see these YouTubers telling us that we can start businesses with absolutely no money and become millionaires by the end of the week, a lot of people seem to believe that. And if they do, it's only a matter of time before they're hugely disappointed and give up. Why? Because they didn't have realistic expectations in the first place. Now, please understand, I'm not saying that's you, but you have heard me say several times throughout this course that you are building a real business, and that really is the case. And building a real business takes time and dedication. But if you're ready to put in the work, it is so unbelievably worth it when you have a business you can be proud of that gives you financial freedom and the lifestyle that you want to live. So what are realistic expectations? Well, the reality is it depends on you. But with great time management, learning from your mistakes, and everything else that I'm teaching you, as long as you take action, there is no reason why you can't have a great business in a relatively short period of time. But just understand, it is going to take longer than 24 hours. So I really hope you enjoyed those tips on how to develop the right mindset. It really is important. But what I want to share with you in this lecture is something that perhaps is even more important. And those are the 3 key foundations to success. Because what I'm going to teach you here is going to form the basis of your successful business. And this isn't just something I dreamt up overnight. This is based on my many years of doing e-commerce. They are, if you like, the rules that I live by. And so what are the 3 key foundations? Well, number 1 is trust. Number 2 are products. And number 3 is traffic. And those big plus signs between each of the 3 points are there for a reason, because you can't have one without the other. They exist as a whole. You have to have trust, products, and traffic. Now, just to bring this to life a little bit more, let me delve into the detail of each one of these in turn. So what do I mean by trust? Well, what I mean is you have to have a fantastic looking store. Of course, already we've taken great steps to making sure that that is the case. Number 2, your store has to load fast. And lastly, great customer service is essential. And with those 3 things in combination, you then have a trustworthy store. Because as I'm sure you're aware from your own experiences from buying online, trust is super, super important. And so to the second key foundation, which is products. So here what I'm talking about is ensuring that you have products that are in demand. Now we've already looked at this because I've shown you how to select profitable markets and how to select products that are in demand within those markets. So that already has a big tick. But we also need to make sure that we have reliable suppliers and we want fast, affordable shipping. And then lastly, but by no means least, traffic. Traffic is of course incredibly important because without it, we don't have a business. But we absolutely need to understand, and this is where so many people trip up, we absolutely need to understand who our ideal customer is. Who is the type of customer that is going to buy our products? Business is very straightforward. I think I actually said this several lectures ago in the course, but it really is straightforward in the sense that what we're actually doing is matching a product to a customer. That's it. If you can do that, you will have an incredibly successful business on your hands. But if you don't know who your ideal customer is, in other words, you don't really know who you're selling to, then you're going to struggle. And then in terms of actually driving traffic, we want to start with free traffic techniques. Why? Well, clearly, in the first instance, it's free, so you don't need to spend any money to get started. But as you will see, if we're clever with free traffic techniques, it will actually tell us who our ideal customer is. It will help us out enormously with point number 1. And it's at that stage when we understand our ideal customer and we have revenue from sales that we can then reinvest that revenue into paid traffic techniques and take your business to the moon. So I hope you can really begin to see how trust, products, and traffic really are the 3 key foundations to success. And to make sure you succeed, this slide is actually going to form the structure of at least the next 20 or 30 lectures. So I will be referring back to this a lot. But just before we get into that, I want you to understand, I want you to appreciate that in addition to all of this, these 3 key foundations to success are going to help us build what we refer to as an authority site. And an authority site is a site that is widely recognized as a reliable, trustworthy, and an expert source of information. And so why is that important? Well, it's because authority sites, in other words, exactly the site that you're building, will be ranked highly in the search engines because of the trust, the products, and the targeted traffic that is visiting the store. Okay, so let's get going. Because what I'm going to do is start with trust. We're going to take your store up a level. I'm going to show you how to make sure that it loads fast, and I'm going to teach you how to create great customer service. Then with your products, I'm going to expand on those in-demand products. I'm going to show you how you can find reliable suppliers and get fast, affordable shipping. And I'll finish with a big section on traffic where we'll talk about your ideal customer, a number of fantastic free traffic techniques leading towards your paid traffic strategy. So let's get going. I know you've already got a great looking store, but let's start building trust by taking your store to a whole new level. Let's build an absolutely fantastic looking store.